Welcome to Coding Classic. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create animated search bar using HTML and CSS. Before we begin, kindly follow, like, comment and share for more tutorials. Let's begin. Firstly, create your necessary files, which is HTML and CSS. Start from HTML. Edit your title. Link your CSS to your HTML file. Continue from the body. Our HTML body require only search input and button. We are done with HTML. Here is the preview of our project. Let's start styling. Starting from the body. Next is search container. Preview of our project. Next is search button. Preview for now. Next is search input. Is now looking good. Let's add media query for the mobile responsiveness. Finally, we are done. Drop your comment on what you think about this project. Thank you for watching.